Today and tonight we're going to be going to a club called Club X with my friend Josh and her friend Kelly. They're pretty cool. She is part of this thing where they can get timeshares, and so there was a timeshare in San Francisco that they booked. The parking's like $30 a night though. It's like 35. How much is it a night? 36 bucks a night. That's fucking crazy. But anyways, a day, a night, a day, whatever. So we're on our way out there right now. She's gonna stop by her friend's house, do her makeup, and then we'll be on our way. I'm gonna vlog as much as I can. We're gonna get turned, drunk, and have some fun. So we'll see you when you get out there.
What time is it, Austin?
Hey Siri, what time is it?
Your phone's all the way over here still, under the cookie. You just ate.
You heard it though, right?
Yes, I heard it.
Last night got crazy, so I forgot to record. Door dashing at like 1:30 in the morning doesn't work.
It also took you 45 minutes to find out where you even wanted to eat from.
This is everything we get to look at today. And we're gonna do like none of this.
Advice from Austin, don't buy a burger in the city. They're $20 a piece.
Yeah. A simple burger is $20. We're about to check out and go check out some shit, so I'll start recording. Josh is over here doing drugs in our hotel room.
It's legal. Legal.
It is legal in his defense. We're at
I got this for your mom. I have to put this back in
Pier 39 in the parking garage. We'll see everything when we get down there. This parking garage is stupid expensive though. Stupid expensive. We're at Bubba Gump Shrimp. Hey, everybody. Oh, thank you. Alright, so I'm getting the Forest Seafood Feast. It sounds fucking smacking. What do you think? What are you gonna get? Burger? You gotta look at the camera.
With a lot of guacamole. It's in here somewhere. Texas chicken sandwich. A big sandwich with big flavor. Cajun grilled or fried chicken breast. You know I'm gonna get the Cajun grilled. With crisp bacon, pepper jack cheese, fresh guacamole, and our signature chili ancho mayo on a taste of bun with fries.
What are you getting? That?
That looks good. That's what Kelly's looking at. I might get that. I don't know.
Oh yeah. Do it, Josh.
Do what?
Wet. Alright, we just finished eating there. Why are you always smiling? She's so happy for no reason. We're on our way to... We're going to go look at some of the stores around here. How is this left-handed? How is that left-handed? Oh, I see. This is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Just the left glove?
left glove.
They make left gloves.
No.
They're bought. They're by. They go both ways. What is this? A calligraphy pen?
No, it's just a pen.
Just a pen, which are always by. This fool's on fucking crack. Look at him. Baby's on crack.
Babe, look. Big Papa. Big Papa.
That's what she calls me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Babe, what about this?
Oh, that's sharp as fuck.
Fish are friends, not food. Fish are friends, not food.
Okay, Bruce.
Sorry.
Fish are friends, not food.
That looks like a penis. I'm just pointing that out. It looks like a straight fucking dick right now. What does that remind you of? Yes. Why would I don't even. So we've like gone to Treasure Island. They've closed off a lot of it. There's a lot of constructions, but these fools are playing rugby. Damn, this is fucking tight. Oh my god, dude. This clip was extremely windy, so bear with me, but we went to Treasure Island, and I'm just showing you what the view was like of San Francisco and the bay. We're like checking out some, I took a bunch of pictures of that rocky place, but now we're at like some fucking weird, crazy, big ass building. It says it's like some island, oh. Closed to the public, 8 a.m., it's Monday through Friday. Administration building. Oh. No. So where's this fucking
The market.
market thing they're talking about?
Oh, he's vlogging it. Nick, are you recording?
Alright, so we're on our way home. It's the end of the vlog. I'm gonna end it right here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell because I'm gonna be posting things a little bit more often now. Yeah, so we'll see you next time.